Hello everyone, welcome to bsbsolutions.com. My name is Sumit and I'm VP Sales CRM Solutions with BISP. I have got a very good hands-on on BI tools as well, and Salesforce has introduced a new tool known as Salesforce Wave. So therefore I decided to come up with a new CFO dashboard using Wave. We have already created CFO dashboard using various BI technologies and other tools like Python, R programming, and ClickView and Tableau. So we decided to build same by using Wave as well. As you know that Salesforce Wave can not only pulls the data from Salesforce, but it can also get the data from or load the data from CSV files or from Informatica. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use a financial data set which I have recently got from my client, and I will be going to prepare a dashboard out of it. So it's a CSV file. So let me show you the data set. That's my financial data which I have received. It has got columns like scenarios, year, period, view, periodic view, region for different regions. So there are three financial elements: net profit, net sales, and profit margin. Various accounts. It's on different products. So mainly it's on multiple products like golf balls and so on. We have various customers, cash flow, amount, and the transaction date. So I have already transformed the data. I've already completed the data massaging. The data which I have received was not in a proper format, so I have already formatted this data in a proper order. And now we are going to load this data into Salesforce Wave Analytics, and we are going to build a dashboard out of it. So let me switch to my Salesforce Wave Analytics. So first of all, to work on Salesforce Wave Analytics, you need to have a registered account. So I've got a registered subscription, and you can see I have already got I have already uploaded the financial data set here. If I simply click on this, it will quickly create a lens out of it, and we can quickly change the measure, apply grouping, and we can apply filter if we required. And also we will have various options to we have different chart modes which can be used to present the data, or we can present it in a value table or compare table. And also we can enable the SAQL mode for to perform data visualization. So the dashboard which I have prepared, that dashboard contains all the widgets, all the elements which we use to have the different type of charts and the filters. So this is the dashboard I have prepared, and as you can see here in this dashboard, on the left side you can see it will be showing the total number of sales we have done, total amount, and the actual cost. So we can see the total amount with respective to actual cost. So we have a date filter. It's a range. It would be relative to year, or absolute date would be there, so we can apply filter. Then we have financial elements. So at present, this chart would be presenting data for all the financial elements for which contain the net profit, net sales, and profit margin. I can quickly apply filter. So if you concentrate on this particular chart, this chart would be showing the net profit, sales, net profit, net sales, net profit, and profit margin. So I quickly filter for net profit, and this would be displaying only net profit here. And whenever we made a selection in any of the filters, any of the list boxes, it will reflect other charts as well, other widgets as well. So I can remove this filter. In same manner, we have regions, so we can filter the records for a specific region. Or let's suppose I want to see the net profit, sales, and margin, and the total sale we have done in Orlando region. So that's the filter we have done. So as soon as we apply filter, the graphs will change. Then for products, so there are two products we are working on: golf balls and tennis balls. So at present, this would be showing the total sale and all the total uh, cost, the net profit, net sales, and profit margin for both the golf balls and the tennis ball. We can filter it for a specific product. Then we have accounts. So I'm very much interested in short term deposits, or let's say admin expenses, or capital stock, or cash. So I click on cash, and it would filter accordingly. Then we have scenarios like actual, I want to see the actual cost or budgeted cost. So this is the actual. In same manner, we would have, we can filter it based on budget as well. So that would be the budgeted cost, actual and budgeted cost. And as you can see, when I filter for actual, when I filter it for budgeted, actual cost is not rendering, because this would be displaying only the actual cost. So this filter, basically this numeric field will not be able to display any of the data, because it is showing only budgeted one. So these are the various graphs I have prepared. uh, we have a we have a stacked bar chart which will be presenting the net profit, net sales and profit margin in various months, in different months, in all around the year, in all respective years. Then we have, it's a waterfall chart which would be representing the total amount in based on regions in the three respective years, 13, 14 and 15. Then this particular chart would be showing the target versus actual cost. And we have admin expenses. So if we look at this, so if we look at this chart, in this chart, we will have the admin expenses for the respective months, April, August, December, January, February, for the sum of amount, and that's the change percentage we have. It is not filtered. We can apply filter as well. We can change its properties, and we have options for filtering, and we can apply the filters. Or also we can make some changes into it. There are table options. This particular graph, this particular chart of widget, it would be displaying the net profit, net sales and profit margin with respective to all the regions. So it's a heat map chart. And this the region, the region which would be showing, which would be coming in darker with respective to the financial element, it means this has got the maximum number of amount. This has got the highest number of amount we have. So this is the dashboard we have prepared in Wave Analytics. We can customize it and perform more. We can add more elements to it. We can have some toggle controls. We can have some text. If I want to display some text, so I would be able to do that. I can drag and drop, and it would be able to customize it. And we can add a text here. Suppose I just wanted to add a text to this. I'll just add a text, and I call it as dashboard properties. Select this, and I add a text as CFO dashboard. So this would be the, and we can preview it. And once, the advantage of using Salesforce Wave dashboard is that we can quickly preview it, or we can quickly share it. So let me save it first, and once I saved it, I can quickly share it with my registered user, or we can I can export it, I can download it in a PDF format, or sorry, as an image format, and use it as an attachment in an email. We can get the URL, and we can share this URL with our users, so the only the registered user, they would be able to see this. We have post to feed. Post to feed, in terms of, if I post to feed, I just wanted to see all the users or all the groups or a specific user. So just for an example, I just enter my name. So I'm just giving my name here. So my name, and I click on post. So when I click on post, this dashboard will be shared. This dashboard will be add on my home page, and all my followers, they will be able to see this dashboard. So let me show you that. I click on sales. Right now we are on Wave Analytics, and now I'm switching back to Salesforce interface, and in Salesforce interface I click on home, and you can see there's a new feed has been, a new post has been added named as financial dashboard, and all my followers would be able to see this, and they can download it, or they can download it as a PNG, or they can perform some operations. They can preview it. So that's how we can create couple of dashboards. So this is my first dashboard related to financial components in say in Wave Analytics. I would be going to create couple of more dashboards and share with all of you. That's all. in this video. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.bspsolutions.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos and more information related to wave analytics. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.